right, he's going to go on a flight in honor of John McCain. I decided to do this because I was so inspired by John McCain and what he stood for. No, we'll keep going. Thought it'd be a beautiful thing to do. See just how, go over here to the right. They have the flag at half-staff here at our National Cemetery in Ohio. And we're going to send this bird off on a beautiful flight. Just slow down right up here. Let's just pull over right up here. Yeah, right up in here. Anywhere right here. Should have went right, but let's go. We got the flag at half-staff here in Dayton, Ohio. We're gonna let this bird fly in honor of John McCain.